In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Claude Code to GitHub. So of course, there are many ways to do that. There are many manuals way to do it, and a lot of ways might be very good. But for you or for this video, I'm going to show you a specific way, and it's very simple. You don't need to know a lot about coding or anything else. So all you need to do, basically make sure that you open GitHub and logged in into an account, and also Claude, and you should be logged in. If you want to use Claude app or Claude Code app, you are more than welcome to. Just make sure that you are logged in into an account there as well. And of course, you will need basically to be logged in on the web Claude first. So you can establish the connection first, then go back and use it on the web or the app if you want to. So first of all, just go to your GitHub as an example, github.com. All you need to do is add /apps/Claude. So this should be added in the URL to be taken to the exact page that you want. And from here, an example, instead of configure that I have here at the top right, you will find install. Click on install and give it access to all the repositories, or basically the repositories that you want Claude to access, and then click on authorize. Once you click on authorize, they will tell you that they want to finalize the connection. So just go and click on continue and you should be good to go. So now how can you know that is it connected or not? If you haven't connect Claude or GitHub first, if you go at the bottom left and click on the plus button, you'll not find this add from GitHub option. But if you do have it ready and installed and downloaded as I am, as you can see right here, I'll find this plus and I can basically click on add from GitHub. And from here, I can select a repository or just paste the URL above to get started. So from here, I can select one of my repositories that I am connected to. So if I go here to GitHub, you will see that I do have 4 repositories, and it's what I will see from here. If you want to add another repositories, or you can just go and drop the URL example here, you can just go and paste the URL of your repository if you somehow didn't find it. So that's how you connect it. It's very easy. And of course, this will work also with Claude Code. So I click on plus, add from GitHub, and I'll have all my repos here. So it is very simple and easy. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.